Hello and welcome to Lakeside Parkway Model Railway. So just a quick video today just to show you something new that we've had here today. So it is the new Bachmann Class 09. I know I did one on the 08, but that one wasn't mine and finally got my own. So Class 09, this one is the 35930 SFX. So let's turn it around and we'll unbox it and see what's in there. So as you can see, this is the SFX, the Sound Fitted Deluxe version. So it has the auto uncouplers. So let's have a look what's in the box with it. So in the packaging, you get the standard warranty sheet. As well as that is the instructions. So if you want to have a read of these, you can pause it at any point and have a read. So you've got the standard one about all the accessories, more accessories, decoder fitting. So it has a little neat trick which I can show you in a minute. Lighting, your switches. So on DC, you can operate all your lights as separate. More about the decoder and just a bit about the warranty and spare parts that you all know, I'm sure. So obviously with this being the SFX, it has the sound fitted sheet as well. So this is all about the functions and stuff like that. So it has a Zemo MS450P22 Plux 22 decoder. It has a Sugar Cube speaker, which is 1 watt 8 ohms. And you got all this, and then you've got your function mapping. So again, if you want to have a pause of that and a read, there you go. So Loco itself, in the packaging, it's the standard ice cube packaging. So let's open it up, put that on there. So you've got that there, which is your accessory pack. You've got all your accessories. You have the blanking plug and you have the extra couplings as well. So let's have a quick look at the Loco, put it on the turntable so you can see. As you can see, we've got the auto uncoupler here and we've got one at the front. You've got built-in lights, cab lights, all the detail is extra, so all these rails and stuff like that. Extra, you've got a whistle on this side, which be very careful of because I heard they can snap, but Bachmann, being Bachmann, have supplied extras in the pack, in the accessory pack. So if you do break it, you've always got spares. So to get to the decoder on this one, couldn't be simpler, to be honest. All you do is squeeze up here, and if I can see what I'm doing, I will get it off. There we go, squeeze there, and that top bit comes off, and you can get to the sound decoder, or if you need to fit a decoder, and all the switches are in there. So, right, I won't do a full running video of it, I'll just do a quick running of it so you can see it. Like I say, give us 2 seconds, I'll get that set up. So right, there we go. So we go on the test track now. So I'll quickly demonstrate the auto uncoupler. I won't connect it up to my wagon because it means I have to set up the main layout and a hassle. But I'll press, there we go. 2. So you'll see that go up. The Loco will then move forward, and yeah. And then if I turn that one off and do it in the other direction, as you can see, we're the same in that direction. So we'll run through a couple of the sound functions. Got 2 different horns, and we can get the Loco running. It does have cab lights, but unfortunately I'm using the Dynamics, which only goes up to 20, so I can't do it because I can't be bothered to get my main layout up and running today because I have got something that is being worked on it. So many of you have asked for an update on the Hornby Flirt, and it is coming. We've had a parcel today for it, and I've got one more coming, and fingers crossed I shall have a fully working Hornby Flirt sound. So yeah, the 08, 09, sorry, is running very well. Like I say, very smooth runner. I'll break it there. We'll change direction. This does have a stay alive, so I can show you that. If I pick it up here, as you can see, still running. You got your lights in the end there, and you did have lights there, but I quit off before it. Well, let me just stop it so I can show you the lights on the other end. Alright, let me show you the lights on this end. It's too long. But yeah, it does have lights all round. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Like I say, I'm trying to up the quality of the videos a little bit. Hope you're enjoying them. Like I say, and we'll see you in the next one. Hopefully the next one will be the flirt update if all the bits come and they work. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.